Bad move not tank attack, pancakes, got the clock, the shot man, my box and square, not the almina, pop no last pancakes.
First and foremost, man, say welcome back to my YouTube channel. Big up to all my subscribers and all my supporters and everybody who is leaving their comment. Thank you. Please like the videos while you watch them, please, and subscribe. Today we're going to be talking about Najeeriii pushing a female off stage, like him not like woman or what, because most of them young artists that we are come now, they make the hype and the fame get above them head. You see me? Because him just boss, you know, him a young artist, you know, him not in the business long time, you know. Him talented, yes, but him not in the business long time. And him a sing some song like enough other new artists that just come to the business where you know, understand what them a say until they get to understand what them a say. So we check out the video when Najeeriii push down the girl on stage and feel like say, I missed that.
From the Bronx, Blanco, chat from states, you cash the pot, accept contact name, but shot the facts and the man that's waste.
Viewers and subscribers, me now bring down the artist, you see me, because he's very talented and he must have sing good song for Jamaican people that follow him up. But what I want to say is, you have to pay for going to the party there, you know, and that the girl they pay for going to the party, brother, and your shoe bar done on stage like that in front of crowd like that. She have to feel shame, and when she go home, she'll go home under backlash from her friends and her family. Say, oh, Najeeriii push her down past stage, girl, you idiot. Where them artists they have follow. You see me, sir, only make things bad for yourself, young artists. Only for no one do. Put the hype one side and perform for the people them. We have pay their money and come and dance for soon, brother, on the stage show, brother. Only no hype than the people them, brother, because of the people them make on the day. And the people them write on the song, but the people them pay money for the song can promote and come on a party and go stage show and soon up on stage show and perform, brother, and have to work more better, brother. You see me? You don't have to apologize to the girl, you know. I tell you to apologize to her, you know, brother. You have to do it with your own heart. Because remember, you know, what goes around comes around, you see me? Because remember, you're there on stage, brother, and you push her off a stage. I say push her off a stage, you push her down. Like you don't want the female to hug you up like you're a Batman through my eyesight. You see me? Or if you're not Batman, I don't know. But them they move there, you push down woman. You must Batman. Or maybe you have a wife. You see me? Maybe you're married. Or maybe you have a girlfriend. Or maybe you're a loyal youth to your girlfriend. You see me? As most people I say, maybe it's a skit. But it don't look like skit. Because the video show a whole heap of angle where the girl face look like she does smile at one point and then she feel the hurt, say yo, she get embarrassed by an artist where she really like her. You see me, she's a fan of the artist. You see me, una just come artist underneath it, take on the time and build on the craft in a dance and more people. Tell the artists them to take them time and behave because they're not bigger than the people them who support them in a dance hall. You see me, I say? I don't know, stop take all these fucking Mali and behave like you know no sense on stage, bad man. Because remember, a smarty daughter that they push down, you know, brother. A smarty sister that they push down, you know. You see me? And not video and voice note a go out and all these things. But one thing I can tell the artist, say, be careful. Because if a publicist stunt here look better, be careful. You know, learn from other artists' mistake. You have to learn from other artists' mistakes. Viewers and subscribers, I just want to show on the video from a different angle when he pushed down the lady. Viewers and subscribers, please leave your comment in the comment section. You see there again for yourself. You see me? Because that are totally fuckery. You see me? What artists do on stage are totally fuckery. Look at man chuck the girl on her throat, man. On her throat him chuck her down like some man him a chuck down in her brother. And to me, they say it come like the artist high, or him under some fucking pill, or Mali, or something. You see me, I say? But you don't know him a perform, and I perform for him fans, him, and him in the cloud. You see me, in the top of the world. So I leave in the comment section if what me I say is wrong, and leave for no judgment, what you think. I go on write this up on stage with the artist, or why him would have push off a woman like that, like him not interested in a woman. Because I can't understand, I can't see it. I born Jamaican, no, brother. And if me an artist and me up on stage and a woman come up to hug me, brother, even if me have a girl, me put my hand on her shoulder, me not hug her up like we in a relationship. You get me? But way him deal with it, brother, totally disrespect. And the whole of dancer I talk about this right now. You see me? So you have to be careful the same way. Because you never can tell. Like, share, and subscribe if you have not. Thank you. Until the next one, I'm out.